Hey my amazing beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Miss Nazlin, and I'm back again with an amazing new video for you my amazing people. Kama kawaida, video ni interesting one. Kindly give me a share, give me a comment, like my video, and help me reach 1k subscribers, and I will truly appreciate your efforts as always. So on today's video, as you all can see, it's an interesting video. Videos are shopping waga interesting sana, and at some point it motivates people. So I just want to share with you this video and enjoy, because this one shock people in the supermarket, being the first shopping for my fridge for the first time.
Take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put her ass on snows if you're down. Maybe.
also I'm just back from the supermarket. For the first time I have shopped for my fridge. My fridge has been empty for the longest time and I said like, wow, enough is enough. Wacha fridge yangu naye ijae. For the first time watu wameshangaa supermarket like mdem hii vitu yote anapeleka wapi? For once nimekuwa like a shopkeeper, but it's okay. I just want to show you how I'm going to arrange my fridge, my empty fridge, my small fridge, and I'm so happy. You know those any vitu zenye huko una afford kitambo, like now you can afford. I really am grateful and I'm so thankful to God. May He continue opening doors and doors for me. So without any further ado, let's arrange the fridge together and show you, my people, what I just got from the supermarket. My people, before we arrange the fridge, I want to show you what I got from the supermarket. And I got this bread. Ni bread kidogo because I bought like kama watched my previous video, I bought the self-raising flour, so I'll be making more of cakes and mandazis. So this one nitatupush kwa siku moja tu. Then I got this Afya multivitamin. Iko like imemixiwa na every kind of fruit. Then this apple Afya. I love apple somehow. I got this mango juice, goat fruit apple. I got tropical mix pick and peel. Some soda Fanta, hii ni blackcurrant Fanta. Some more soda Coca-Cola. Some more soda Fanta. The Lover Girl for Stony. Stony is mine. Some more apple Minute Maid. I also got Sprite. Somehow I love Sprite and Stony. I got these Weetabix, 2 of them. I got goat fruit multi-fruit. Hii like imemixiwa na every kind of fruit. Here this one, tropical, different taste. I wanted to mix like different tastes, so that's why nimechukua different like type. So I got Ribena. Some biscuits, and these for washing my utensils. And then I got some queen cakes. I'm addicted to this Fiesta, Enuma, ice cream. Yeah, I just love. I'm in love with this. So I got so many of them. As you can see, I got so many of them. More and more Fiesta for me. Okay, I'll share with my people, but I'll share for the neighbor. Some more ice cream. Buy one get one free. And of course, then I got this strawberry vanilla, the small one. Momo Oho ice cream. Then I got this Orchard Valley mango in mango flavor. Last but not least, I got this Mount Kenya milk, 1 box. So this one will really serve us. Yeah. So yeah, I only wanted to show you what I got from the supermarket. Now we can go ahead and arrange our fridge, our empty fridge. Finally, it smiles somehow. Yeah. If you have watched to this point, I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for always coming back, for always giving me the support. I truly appreciate your efforts. Kindly share, like, and give me a like. I know you are enjoying the video. Kindly give me a like because it really helps my video to like grow and reach many people. Give me a like, comment down below what you think about this video. Share please. Let's reach 1k subscribers. Tumekuwa stagnant for so long. Kindly let's push the subscription button and yeah, tufike hapo 1k subscribers na nitashukuru kama kawaida. Continue enjoying the video. Yeah. Thank you so very much for the massive support. We've finally come to the end of the video and I feel so good that I shared this amazing video with you, my people. I feel so great that I'm moving steps, manze. You know, when you make steps in life, you really like are grateful to God like so much, manze. Hey, kama nimefanya hii. Ani, this was my dream come true in some way. Been watching people's videos shopping for their fridges and I'm just like, oh my God, when will this happen to me? And finally God made it happen for me, and yeah, I'm so grateful and so happy. Thank you so much for watching watching till this end. And yeah, until on my next one, I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.